I carry back some of the salt, go get the seed. Because me I tell no, say somebody I try for me, I ask Christ. But guess what? Prayer me believe in 100%. But trouble today. Fuck where I go on in my life. So forgive me if you're not just a soul right about now. Got too much things that reach me. I will just sit on yourself. Probably my come.
Shenseea give us an update after meeting in a motor vehicle accident. Stick around for the full story. Coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So on Friday, I posted a video talking about Shenseea meeting in a motor vehicle accident. Right, and we're telling you what Romy say and all. If you haven't seen that video, you can go watch it after. You can stop this one and go watch it to understand what go on. You see me? All right. But anyway, people, Shenseea went live this morning and she gave us an update. She spoke a little bit about what happened in the accident. Apparently somebody hit them. It's more serious than I thought, people. I thought it was just a little fender bender, but it turns out that it's more than that. She actually have, and I mean, injuries like her hand sprain and thing. You see me, and she says she have spine jerk up on them thing there. So, you know, the funny thing about car accident is that sometimes you get in an accident and you get a leak and you feel like nothing no go on, and then later down the road a problem that. But anyway, people, with no further ado, me go let Shenseea talk, and you know what I mean, me go chop up in between and we go discuss it and we go get through this video. All right.
The wall. And even then, I'm a seatbelt. Because if I never my seatbelt, I feel like more that fly through the windscreen. As a blood clot liquid get. Right now, my back and my spine jerk up. My right hand sprain. It'll get better still. Just my wrist kind of fuck up right now. But I'm gonna pull through. I know no family I worry. I decide, Ramesh, without the announcement quickly. Just tell me I'm okay. Right now we're both to go to the beach as Roger done going on business already. I go wash off some of the salt with it on me. I go wash off some of the salt with it on me. Give it back to the seed. Because trouble today, they watch out for me now. Go and go look now. I gotta carry back some of the salt, go get the seed. Because me I tell no, say somebody I try for me, I ask Christ. But guess what? Prayer me believe in 100%. But trouble today. Fuck where I go on in my life. So forgive me if you're not just a soul right about now. Got too much things that reach me. I will just sit on yourself. Probably my come. You're so pretty. Thank you, baby. River water in it. Me say me I take every water. Me I take salt water, mineral water, river water, pipe water, every water I take wash me up. Me say, I don't even understand what I'm going.
So you hear what she has said, and she has said the safety belt save her. So it's good that we practice to wear a seat belt. We know a lot of people don't like wear seat belt, but Shenseea here testifying that she wore a seat belt and it actually saved her life. I'm glad say, nothing more than what happened to Shenseea. And Shenseea said, boy, she got through some tough time. But I saw it go to a moment, Enough people got through enough things worse than you. At least you still have life, you still have your son and everything. You see me, I say, I know you just lose your mother and that tough and, accident and you say other things happen we might not know about, but trust me. So I say, I just saw life go. Even rich people have problem. You have, it's not money problem, but there's other problems. So, and this go for everybody too. This is not just Shenseea. You see me? But people, she talk about some other things. She bring up the point that people are talking about. She sacrificed her mother. So she asks now, so if I sacrifice, she sacrifice herself when something like this happen. And then she talk about, bigging up the dancehall artists them. She says she actually did a video bigging up every dancehall artist and things. So I guess we're gonna see that soon. But you know what I mean, let's get back into what Shenseea say. Let her talk and then we're going to end the video. All right.
When I done some sacrifice my mother already. So see, then start to me I sacrifice myself. I'm over sacrifice myself. I'm over sacrifice myself. I'm mad, you know. When I'm mad boy, you know. Me say, when I'm mad boy, man. Proto, you know see. Proto today, big up yourself. EP your album drop, I need to get a post. And that's weird because I just make a video, I big up every artist in a dancehall and say, I almost need to get for post the damn video. So now that time I dip on my life, I tell everybody I go road the night before. And I say, yo, the artists them in a dancehall, them are going, damn good. The unity, everything, but I tell I saw we've been come together a long time and just work and put out music for the people, make the people them enjoy themselves. Well, go on. Girl, I want to see. Me dep on live. Lock the door. At least for this them. Oh, me at this them fam. Busy about people, man. When I busy about people, you know, if I don't see that by now, I don't understand when I get see that. When I always ask me how I deal with so much hate. Brother, I just not deal with it, period. I don't give a shit. So when I hear me even address certain things, I address it because I want to address it. I because I want to address it. If I want to sit down and address shit, I have to do that shit. I tell you. If I have nothing to chat about me, address it. But the body, still, you know, not 100, but I'll be okay, though, that's for sure, because I can feel myself come on. Yesterday was bad, though. Yesterday I had fever, take me in a bag of something. I want to see you perform so bad. Tell them for open the country, man. I'm ready for perform now. I'm ready for perform. Now can see it want a remix. Yes, you know. Yeah, my big thing. Whoa. Thoughts about WAP. WAP. Listen, WAP. I love everything about that video there. Woman empowerment. It screams woman empowerment, me I tell you. I'ma love that shit. I should. What you don't like people? No, people not get to me now. But I'm gonna call somebody else right about now. Any new songs soon? Yes, I'm gonna be releasing sure. Very soon.
So once again, yeah, I'm just glad that she okay. You see me, even though she has said yesterday was tough for her, she had fever and everything. I mean, I know maybe that related or not related to the accident. It can also be the fact that she had deal with so much, she just overwhelmed, right? But people more want to know if they just keep prayers open to Shenseea, or keep Shenseea in her prayers, I should say. You see me? Because she need it right now. She need it. Because things just happen one after the other, just crazy turns of events. But like me say, people, this happened to you in your personal life. I can't tell you that without even knowing you, because it happened to me. There's just times when things just seems like it just go downhill fast. You see me? And there's other times when things just seem like it go good. That's just the circle of life. And we call it forward all kind of different way. It might not be money problem, like me say, like Shenseea problem. It's not money problem. Enough people have money problem, but you know what I mean, there's other problem. Rich people have problem with them kids, them can't control them. You see what I mean? I say them have all kind of other issues. So so life go, you know what I mean? And them say a smooth sea never make a skill sailor. So all the ups and downs I go pan out for something. So just go and hang in the Shenseea. They're gonna be good times again. And all that you got you can learn from it And if it's supposed to happen again, you already know what to do because you already experience it. And also you can probably help somebody else. Somebody else can learn from your situation. So there's always a good side, you know what I mean? A silver lining behind the cloudy days and the dark days. So we have to find it. And we may talk like a Shenseea, but I'm speaking in general too. You see what I say? This is Shenseea and in general. So if anybody I got you anything else like Shenseea, you know what I mean, and you hear this video, hopefully it can lift your spirit a little bit and make your see life a little bit different. You know what I mean? I ain't no professional motivation speaker or nothing like that, but I just common sense. And, you know, big up on yourself though. Thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed and you like the video, please subscribe. To all my long-time subscriber, thank you very much for making the thing work. I make us still there. You know what I mean? So have a blessed day. All right. Thank you.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.